Hello everyone, welcome to AICTE Swayam Translation Portal. AICTE is working on translation project where we have to translate courses into 8 different languages. This portal is to facilitate our translators. On the first page, you can see a login page with two text boxes, that is email ID and password. Enter your email ID and password and click on submit button. So this is the next page where we have to reset the password. You can change the password accordingly and click on submit button. This is the next page of the portal after logging in. So we have different functions like is Hindi your mother tongue, display name, state of institute, your institute is approved by AICTE or not, name of the institute, are you willing to participate in cleansing along with the translation. Now for faculties, are you willing to validate also, or years of experience you have to mention, your domain you also have to mention. All these details will make the project very easy. Now we have landed on the main page of the portal. As we can see on the left hand side, we have English transcripts available for the subject. On the right hand side, we have many sections, and the most important section on the right hand side is the pane which contains Google translated language of the English transcript. These will be automatically fetched according to the interest of the candidate or the translator. So now we will see how the translation works goes on. First, you could see this page is auto translated by Google. Our requirement from you is to translate the document in a way that it would be useful for the readers who are studying these lectures in their native languages. If in case you want to make some changes or make some edits in the documents, you can use Google Voice Typing. That is on the upper right area of the portal page. Now we'll click on this recording button. आज हम इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक विषय के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. Now we'll copy this text and paste at the desired location where we want to edit. Second tool that will be useful for the translation process is Google Input Tool. This tool can be used if you find some difficulty using Google Voice Typing. You need to add this tool to your web browser as a plugin from Google Chrome. Once you install this tool, you can select your translation language and turn the tool on from top right corner of your browser. If you find any difficulty while Google Voice Typing, you could use this feature. So we'll type in English and we'll get the translated version of the text. Now we will also see some of the features in this pane. It is located on the top of the pane. Like we made some mistakes, we can also use undo and redo. We have also a formula button. We can choose variety of formulas from there and paste it in our text. Like we'll see an example. We can see an example of the formula to be added to our text. So this is an equation. So we'll include this equation in our text wherever it is required. Now we can see it has been included. Make sure that all formulas and images should appear in the right section of the page as it is. Please note that you should avoid select all and delete option. We have also included a functionality called save as draft button. This button will facilitate the translator to resume their work and to save the work anytime, and also can resume our work in the later stages. Now, in order to have a complete translation, we also required an audio file. So, audio recording facility has also been provided on the portal. As we can see, a record audio transcript button, and under it there is a red color button with a mic sign. Once we click on this button, our audio recordings will start. We have two buttons like pause the recording or stop the recording accordingly. Once you are done with the translated transcript, you will need is to record an audio version of the translated script. This audio will be a vocal version of the translated transcript, which is to be recorded from the beginning of each lecture transcript. Once we have completed our audio recording, we can upload or clear our recording. If we click on the upload button, it will be automatically uploaded to the portal. Once you have completed all the requirements for the translation version of the script and your document has been finalized, you have to press save and send for approval button, which will be the last step of the translation process. After pressing this button, your translated scripts and audio would be available on this portal and would be sent for the validation work. That's all. Thank you.